In this video, I will show you how to get the first day of the month using two methods in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the first day of the month for these dates. For example, for the first date, I want 1st August 2020 in this column, since this date is of August 2020. We can use the EOMONTH function to get the first day of the month in Excel. The EOMONTH function returns last day of the month. This function takes two arguments, a valid date and a number of months. A positive value of the second number of months argument gives us a future date, and a negative value gives us the past date. For example, this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the current month. This EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the next month, and this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the previous month. I am going to get the last day of the previous month using the EOMONTH function and then add 1 to it to get the first day of the current month. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type EOMONTH followed by an opening bracket. Now select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Since we want to get the last day of the previous month, type -1 as the second argument followed by the closing bracket. This EOMONTH function will return the last day of the previous month, so let's add 1 to it to get the first day of the current month. Press the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the first day of the month for the date. Drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the first day of the month for all the dates. The second method to get the first day of the month is easier compared to the first one and uses the day function. The day function returns the day of the specified date. It accepts only one argument, which is the date of the day we are trying to find. Since Excel stores dates as sequential serial numbers, we can use them for the calculations. Here is the formula to get the first day of the month using the day function. Here the day function returns 21 for the first date. I then subtracted 21 from the date, and that will give us the last day of the previous month of this date, which is 31st July 2020. Then I added 1 to it to get the first day of the month for this date, which is 1st August 2020. As you can see, we now have the first day of the month for this date. Let's copy the formula to other cells to get the first day of the month for all these dates. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.